The Simcenter 3D 2512 release enables you to estimate an unconstrained rigid body's movement. Simcenter 3D Smart Virtual Sensing combines measurement and simulation models to perform virtual sensing estimations such as strain, stress, displacement, and input loads. From 2512, the new unconstrained rigid body solution enables you to measure rigid body position and orientation using accelerometer and gyroscope measurements. Begin your workflow with a dedicated smart vertical sensing body motion solution. You can place 6 degrees of freedom sensors which contain 1 gyroscope and 1 accelerometer for each of the X, Y, and Z directions. Efficiently set up sensors using the import functionality. Place physical sensors at easy-to-access locations. Then place numerous virtual sensors to locations where you cannot place a physical sensor, such as the corners and edges. We provide the solution parameter tuning functionality that enables users to tune the standard deviation to get the best virtual sensing accuracy. By solving a solution, you can get virtual sensors for displacement, rotation, and velocity. You can export a smart virtual sensor executable digital twin following the FMU standard and deploy it to test platforms such as TestLab Neo or TestLab RT. The capability provides an integrated simulation and test solution. It enables you to measure the relative movement of the motor and chassis, verify clearance between them during different maneuvers. This means you perform motor packaging validation with minimum sensor instrumentation. Only 2 6-degree of freedom sensors, 1 sensor mounted on the motor and the other on the chassis are required. By measuring the relative movement between the motor and the chassis, we can make sure there are no collisions and the clearance is always within the acceptable limits during operation, helping you validate operational engine and motor packaging. The solution can also be used to derive wheel positions, including toe and camber, by using only a single 6-degree of freedom sensor on the knuckle. The identified parameters are inputs to the vehicle dynamic study. To summarize, the Smart Virtual Sensing Body Motion solution provides a comprehensive framework to combine simulation and tests, speed up product design and test validation, and enables in-service monitoring.